guys, welcome back sa ating channels. Ngayon, gagawa tayo ng dessert. Tatlong dessert yung gagawin natin. Yung maha pineapple, yung isa maha fruity jelly, tapos yung isa maha jelly corn, cream corn. So ayan na guys, mag-start na tayo. Maggagawa ng ating dessert. So, yung unang gagawin natin ay yung ating maha pineapple. So, ang ingredients natin ay isang litrong fresh milk. Yan, halo-halo lang ito guys. Hindi siya mabusisi yung gawin kasi halo-halo lang. Ayan. Sunod natin i-mix ay ang ating cornstarch. Corn flour sana yung bilhin natin kasi walang stock. So, ang available lang ay cornstarch. So, ayan guys, ilagay ko na yung ihalo ko na yung cream cornstarch natin. Ayan. Hinalo ko na lang muna dito habang hindi ko pa ito sinalin sa apoy para hindi siya mamumuo. Ayan. Na-dissolve na yung cornstarch. Tapos, lagyan natin ng condensed milk. So, ayan guys, lagyan natin ng condensed milk. Halo pa rin natin dito. So, ayan. So, half lang na condensed milk yung nilagay natin kasi malaking condensed milk ito guys. Halat lang. Lagyan natin ng all-purpose cream para mas lalong creamy ang ating maha blanca. So, ayan guys, kung ganito ng texture niya, pwede na itong patayin ng apoy. Ayan. Tsaka hanguin natin sa ating molding pan. Guys, ito na yung ating creamy corn maha. Ayan, creamy talaga guys, oh. Atin yung ating creamy maha. Okay. Yan. Init. Ayan. Palamigin sa natin to guys, tapos i-refrigerate natin later.
6 hours later.
Ayan, 1 stroke lang yung pag ano natin guys, pag stir. Ayan guys. Tapos dito, uy, Sofia, hindi pa natulog si Sofia. Tapos dito, nakahanda na rin yung ating mga container na sisidla natin ng ating nalutong maha fruit jelly. So, antayin natin to guys kung ano na, maging malamig na yung ano natin, mixture ng ating maha fruity jelly. Isali na natin to sa ating mga sisidlan, mga food container natin. Ay lang kay makuan ka ha. Hindi ko baka ni. 5. Sakto. Ayos sa takubi. Kabutangan pala na to o kuan.
Natin ang fruits, guys. Ibabad lang natin sila para makain nila.
Ikuan lang. Ari na pod sa pikas. Murag dako ra na imo ha. Kuan. Kari lang siguro. Bi ako nalay ka ng kuan.
No.
Kasi paduol. Kinhanglan siya equal. Kinhanglan even ang distribution sa imong fruits. Ako lang mo anak. Okay. Kari usa. Ano na siya kayo lang. Kaya pikas apon. Kinanglan even. Pikas. Murag daghan eh. Kari murag wala rin lang gamay ra kayo. Okay.
Tanaw daw.
Lugang iri. Kari. Ayos sa takubi. Kay makuha na siya. Hot pa man siya lang.
We're gonna wait it because it's still hot. So we're gonna wait it in 20 minutes. So we were gonna put this in Mama Lo's fridge. Or in Ate Ban's fridge. So we were gonna wait in 20 minutes. So this will be gonna be like so hot. Like you can feel it. We were gonna not
Put cover.
put a cover first because that will not be this is not the purpose to put all the covers because you know why it's
Still.
already hot. The fridge is cooked already and it's so cold, so we're gonna eat now.
So you're eating the fruit cocktail.
Yeah.
How it tastes. Yummy.
But I love this one. I wanna eat.
Just wait for 20 minutes and then we will put it in a fridge.
And
So
Ate Ban.
I think we're gonna put it in Mama Lo's.
Ate Ban.
Ate Ivan is already in bed. She sleep.
We're gonna do this for 20 minutes.
Okay. So we're gonna wait it. I'm sleepy, Sophia.
Me too.
So let's take a sleep. Go to bed.
Then what is this?
Let the kittens.
Take care of this?
Yes, let the kitten take care of our dessert.
No.
They keep on watching every night, on the night, because they are kitchen's security guard.
So cute.
Ayaw,
I'll draw a kitten.
Oh, you're Akita and you're licking with the spoon, with the ladle. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Okay, put it in the kuan kang. Okay, do not lick it.
I am a cat.
Oh, dili lang. Kay imo na nang gilik. Thank you very much.
See you tomorrow, guys, for the taste test for tomorrow because I'm gonna eat our favorite desserts. Let's eat tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye, guys. Good night,
tomorrow.
everyone.
Good night.
Bye.